your employment terms change, and thus your employment agreements need to change in order to protect you, your finances, your training and experience, and your dreams.
We're going to explore beyond the checklists of leadership competencies, beyond performance evaluations, to the inner work that shows how leadership is actually internal and sustainable and deeply human.
In this session, we'll look at 4 of the most common challenges: the myth of work-life balance, imposter syndrome, responsibility without control, and leading through constant change. And we'll explore practical strategies to navigate.
We are going to reframe time management as a boundaries issue. You will learn practical ways to protect your time and energy without the guilt, so that you can lead with greater clarity, confidence, and calm.
I'll share practical strategies to help you speak up with confidence, ask the right questions, and partner effectively with your care team. We'll talk about the silent biases that women face in medicine and how to change the conversation from what's wrong with me to here's what I want.
I am sharing practical skills that help me manage my mind better, the kind that doesn't come from textbooks. Simple ways to pause before reacting, handling difficult situations with less frustration, and making decisions without constantly second-guessing myself.
I will discuss my experience being a female physician leader in a traditional healthcare system, and I will share 3 moments that were pivotal in my decision to leave the traditional healthcare model. I'll share myths that I thought to be true about starting my own independent practice, and we'll discuss differences between traditional healthcare systems and independent practice.
We'll learn practical, evidence-based frameworks that help you act quickly and decisively, even in complex and time-sensitive moments. We'll talk about the real challenges women face in leadership and the resilient strategies that protect you from decision fatigue so you can lead with clarity, not depletion.